Heiman. Today I'll be showing you our bush tucker trees. Do you want to see them? This is my bush tucker plants. This is native ginger, this is warrigal greens, and this is native mint. And these are all of my bush tucker plants. This is kangaroo plum. Grows very quick, any condition, and there's orange fruits. When they are pure orange, they're ready to eat. This is native pepper. It does not like the summers here at all in Canberra, and it tastes very nice. And it's sort of peppery. That's probably why it has that name. So if you grow it, have a try. This is bush cherry. We planted him about 2 years ago. He's growing very quick, but at least he's growing flowers. That's all we could ask for. That's all the bush tucker we have in our garden, so join me next time on Scoutin' Back.